Hi everyone, I'm back with another ND mini masterclass, and this time I'm going to show you how to perfectly lift droopy eyes. First, I always like to start filling in the outer part of the waterline with a black liner, making sure not to smudge outwards in between the lashes because this will make the eyes look more drooped. I'm keeping it only in the waterline, and from that height I am stretching it out upwards and connecting with the outer third of the upper lash line. Next, I'm picking up the Blackest Black matte eyeshadow from the mini Xenon palette, and with the angled side of the Draw and Diffuse brush, I'm pressing gently the eyeshadow onto the waterline to smoke the line slightly bit out. Then I'm flipping the brush and using the pencil brush side with Gloom, the dark gray eyeshadow, and smoke the upper border of the outer lash line. With the double-ended smudge brush from the My Dream travel bag and the shade Mist, which is a lighter gray, I'm diffusing the outer corner a little bit more and also blending it towards the inner lash line. With the flat side of the same brush, I'm covering the whole eyelid with the shade Puff, which is the lighter shade. This is important actually to use a light shade all over your lid. This will straighten the droopy eye shape, because if you would use a dark shade on your lid and you open your eyes, it will always look rounder and droopier. And to straighten the eye a little bit more, I'm using eyeliner to create an inner V a little bit underneath the lash line to connect with the outer waterline. Then I follow with slightly diffusing it with the dark gray eyeshadow. I'm adding a little wing with the eyeliner. For the exact technique of eyeliner on droopy eyes, you can check out my previous mini masterclass video. For this look though, I want to blend in the eyeliner into the smoky wing, and I'm using the Blackest Black matte eyeshadow again. For lashes, curl once from the front and once from the side in a tilted angle. Add mascara and look at this difference. Wow.